Good morning, and a warm welcome to your show, Sunny Mornings San Francisco. I'm your host, Melissa, and it's Thursday, February 5th. You'll be interested to know. Today is National Nutella Day. This creamy holiday honors the beloved hazelnut cocoa spread, which traces its roots to an Italian pastry chef named Pietro Ferrero and a 1964 innovation. Celebrate with a playful toast, a spoonful on warm toast, or a shared breakfast moment with friends and family. So grab your jar and join the sweet, fun go celebrate. So now you know. And now, it's time for the Surf Report. Thursday at Ocean Beach. This morning it's looking clean with waves at 6 to 9 feet. Conditions stay clean through the morning, holding at 6 to 8 plus feet until noon. Winds are offshore at 11 miles per hour, gradually dropping to 8 miles per hour by the afternoon. Expect a slight shift to sideshore winds later in the day. Best time to ride is at 3 p.m. with a 4-foot outgoing high tide when the west swell is 7 feet at 13 seconds and the offshore wind is 8 miles per hour. The first low tide on Thursday will be 1.5 foot just after 7:30 a.m., followed by a 5-foot high tide just after 1:30. The nearshore buoy in San Francisco Bar reads 57 degrees for the water temperature. Expect solid surf on Friday with clean conditions in the range of 10 to 14 feet early on. Conditions become choppy later in the day as winds shift to the west. Saturday sees a drop in size to 6 to 10 feet, remaining clean in the morning, but turning choppy by afternoon. Sunday brings a steady 5 to 7 plus feet with cleaner conditions, making it the best day of the period. This morning, it's sunny, and it feels like 53 degrees, with 10 mile per hour wind. The sunset will take place at 5:39, and it will rise again tomorrow at 7:07. Looking ahead in the weather. Friday is partly sunny with a high near 63 and a northwest breeze around 7 miles per hour. Then patchy fog develops after 11 p.m. with a low near 50. Most of Saturday is mostly sunny with a high near 62 and patchy fog in the morning. Then a chance of rain arrives Sunday after 10 a.m. with highs near 61 and lingering chances into Monday with highs dropping to near 59 and lows in the low 50s. Bonjour, food enthusiasts. This podcast is brought to you by Versailles Cafe and Pastries in Encinitas. Nestled on El Camino Real South, just north of Encinitas Boulevard, this cafe is a haven for culinary delights. Indulge in their amazing Eggs Benedict or their gluten-free crepes. You can grab a panini for lunch or just breeze on through to get your morning coffee. They are open every day from 8 to 5. So stop on by and don't forget to tell them Sunny Morning sent you. In local news, counties in the Bay Area are trading personal data of incarcerated immigrants for millions of dollars from the federal government through a little-known program administered by the Department of Justice. In 2024, California counties received more than $59.4 million, the highest of any state, with some Bay Area counties receiving more funding than entire states. Critics argue this practice violates the California Values Act, which limits cooperation with federal immigration authorities. Monday, County Sheriff Kenneth stated that his office will not apply for future funding, while other counties face pressure to discontinue their participation. Activists express concerns that this data sharing could lead to increased detentions by Immigration and Customs Enforcement. Now on to sports. The 2026 Winter Olympics faced significant infrastructure concerns in recent weeks. The first event in Italy, the set of mixed doubles curling matches, experienced a power outage just 5 minutes into the competition. With clocks and scoreboards down, play was halted for about 5 minutes, during which athletes entertained themselves. The local organizing committee cited an energy issue, but details remain unclear. While the curling venue has a strong historical background, issues persist with the hockey and sliding arenas, including ongoing construction and safety concerns. The situation raises doubts about the overall readiness of the games. In local sports, the Warriors are set to face the Suns in a key Western Conference matchup tonight at 7. The Suns come in with a record of 20-14 in conference games and have struggled in close contests, with a 4-6 record in games decided by 3 points or fewer. Meanwhile, the Warriors sit at 17-14 in conference play, boasting a solid 36.5% from beyond the arc. In their last meeting, the Warriors edged out the Suns 119-116 on December 21st, powered by Steph Curry's 28 points. In top news, experts say the U.S. needs an additional 2 million to 20 million homes to address the housing crisis, highlighting the significant shortfall. Moody's estimates that 2 million new homes are necessary, while Goldman Sachs suggests 3 million. Zillow believes the figure exceeds 4 million, and Brookings estimates 5 million, with McKinsey claiming 8 million. In contrast, congressional Republicans argue the shortfall could be as high as 20 million. Some economists even contend that there is no shortage at all. Vacancy rates and household dynamics complicate the assessment, with 18% of adults aged 25 to 34 living with parents in 2023. In business news, the crypto hoarding strategy is unraveling. Bitcoin fell below $76,000 on Saturday, saddling Michael Saylor's company with paper losses on its token purchases. The strategy that rewarded companies for hoarding cryptocurrencies is now punishing them. Bitcoin Ether and other digital tokens are in a slump, causing shares of companies like Strategy to slide. Investors are concerned that big firms may unload their holdings, triggering further declines in digital coin prices. With Bitcoin now trading at around $78,000, down 38% from its early October peak, the market braces for a potential breaking point. In crypto movement, Bitcoin is down 7% to just over $71,000. Ethereum is down 7% to just over $2,000. And XRP is down 9% to $1.45. Moving on to a more local vibe. In our community spotlight on health and wellness, we are working with a national Pilates studio to bring you some free classes, so listen up. Check out Club Pilates, with several locations in the San Diego area. Pilates presents a comprehensive wellness approach, cultivating strength, reducing tension, and elevating mental well-being. Scientific research affirms its benefits. So now you can check out Club Pilates for a free class, with locations in Encinitas, Solana Beach, Oceanside, La Jolla, and more. Just be sure to tell them Sunny Morning sent you by. And now, back to the show. Let's talk science. Popular weight loss drugs, such as Ozempic and Wegovy, are intended as lifelong treatments for obesity and type 2 diabetes, not quick fixes for weight loss. A recent analysis reveals that nearly half of the individuals using GLP-1 medications stop within a year, often unaware of the consequences. Studies indicate that individuals typically regain lost weight within about 1.5 years after discontinuing these drugs. Moreover, blood sugar and cholesterol improvements reverse, leading to a faster weight regain compared to lifestyle changes. Experts stress the importance of combining these medications with long-term lifestyle strategies for sustained success. And in entertainment news, Alan Ritchson faces an unimaginable threat in the trailer for Netflix's sci-fi feature War Machine. The film, from writer-director Patrick Hughes, launches on the streaming service on March 6th. Dennis Quaid, Stephen James, Jay Courtney, Esai Morales, Blake Richardson, Keenan Lonsdale, and Daniel Weber round out the cast. The story centers on a team of United States Army Rangers, recruits who encounter an unparalleled danger during a training exercise. Whatever that thing is, it's hunting us, and it won't stop, Ritson says in the footage. It's not about us anymore. It's warning everybody that thing's coming. Well, alrighty, folks. It's time for the quote of the day. And today, our quote comes from the American economist and author, John Kenneth Galbraith. And he said, "In economics, the majority is always wrong. This reminds us that financial strategies, like crypto investments, can be unpredictable, and caution is advised." And that's a wrap for this morning. You can check out our Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok for some captivating aerial videos with local news and the surf reports. Have an amazing day, my good friends. We'll see you tomorrow with another episode of Sunny Morning San Francisco.